Deputy Minister of Industry and Commerce Ms. Jansuk Sangpachan told the National Assembly that the government's efforts to boost productivity so that the Lao-made goods can replace imported products and lower the current high volume of imports are facing challenges.
การจัดตั้งปฏิบัติในระยะผ่านมา
Addressing the Assembly on Wednesday, Deputy Minister of Industry and Commerce Ms. Jansuk Sangpachan said these good intentions are being thwarted by the fact that some Lao-made goods are of poor quality and production costs are high. She said we are also struggling with adequate transport as well as a lack of product analysis equipment that will help enable us to provide high-quality goods and build confidence among customers.
เคียงคู่กับการสร้างความเข้มแข็งทางด้านเทคนิควิชาการเพื่อยกสูงคุณภาพการผลิต
According to the Deputy Minister of Industry and Commerce, product design and development as well as packaging still do not meet international standards. In addition, the amount of advertising about Lao products is limited while large numbers of people are still unsure about the quality of locally made goods. The government, notably the Ministry of Industry and Commerce, has actively assisted Lao business operators through training sessions and exhibitions of Lao products, but the ministry needs better cooperation from other sectors in order to boost the popularity of Lao-made goods. According to the National Statistics Bureau, in the last 5 months, the amount spent on imported food and drink stood at $728 million, accounting for 11% of total imports. Meanwhile, the Ministry of Agriculture and Forestry has taken steps to ensure that more locally grown produce is sold in markets in a further attempt to reduce imports.
รัฐบาลยังสืบต่อปรับปรุงนโยบายอยู่ในนี้รวมทั้งนโยบาย
Minister of Planning and Investment Mr. Kamsjain Wongposi told the National Assembly that imports of agricultural produce and animal products decreased by $11.54 million, while the ministry encouraged farmers and businesses to produce more biofertilizer, seeds, and rice varieties for local use. Last year, the country's 95 biodiversity fertilizer processing plants had a production capacity of 100,077 tons compared to 60,077 tons in 2021, while farmers themselves produced 600,000 tons of biofertilizer. However, this amount was still not enough to meet growers' needs, with 2 million tons needed each year. And there are only 7 plants making animal feeds with the capacity to produce 40,000 tons. The inability of local businesses to produce more goods for domestic market supply, combined with the high volume of imported goods, is continuing to drive up product prices across all sectors. In addition, the weak keep is curbing people's purchasing power, so public spending has dropped. The high cost of fertilizer and animal feed has resulted in many farmers abandoning their rice fields and giving up on livestock farming, while some risk the collapse of their family business.